The TrueSpec line of heat presses by Heat Press Nation combines premium features, incredible build quality, and matchless support, making them pound for pound the best value on the market. TrueSpec machines are unlike anything we've ever produced at Heat Press Nation. Instead of modifying existing designs, we built a new family of machines from the ground up. To businesses looking for quality, reliability, and consistency, TrueSpec is the solution for all your professional heat transfer applications. TrueSpec heat presses are available in either a hybrid or pneumatic opening system. Our hybrid machines close manually, and with a simple flip of the rotating contact plate, can be set to open automatically or manually. This keeps you in full control of the pressing operation. For a fully automatic close and open, we have our pneumatic opening machines. These heat presses are air-powered, with pressure set to your desired PSI and engaged by a dual-button system for safety. Having a fully automatic pressing action greatly reduces operator fatigue and increases consistency across all applications. TrueSpec single-station models are true workhorses, perfect for almost any professional heat press setting. But if you're working with high volume and tight margins, you'll want maximum output from your press operator. And that's why TrueSpec hybrid and pneumatic opening machines are also available in double-station configurations. The hybrid double-station press has a sliding lower base. The pneumatic double-station press has a sliding upper heating element and control panel with automatic station switching at the touch of a button. While an item is being pressed at one station, you could easily load and prepare another item at your second station. And then when your first item is done, you're ready to slide over to the second station where you could press and repeat the process again and again. Downtime is history with a TrueSpec double-station heat press. Heat Press Nation developed the TrueSpec line with professional print shops in mind, and we've taken a more is more approach with every aspect of the design, resulting in a beefy, robust build that can take daily use and abuse from any shirt shop. A laser-cut steel frame serves as the foundation for these heavy-duty machines. Other structural components are carefully selected to support loads and stresses greater than what's necessary. Select internal components are UL certified for both safety and durability. And the wow factor goes beyond TrueSpec's impressive look, it's quality that you can feel and experience. At the heart of every TrueSpec heat press is its solid core 16 by 20 inch heating element. While bargain elements may be thinner to save on raw materials, we spare no expense when casting our solid aluminum elements. The result is a perfectly flat heating element with superb heat distribution and retention, with minimal recovery time in between presses. TrueSpec machines have an anti-burn shield over the heating element to protect in case of accidental contact, and the baked-in non-stick coating makes cleaning easy. A brand new touchscreen controller was designed for our TrueSpec machines. This new controller displays your time and temperature, and we've added a brand new pre-press timer. There are 3 preset slots where you can customize your temperature, pre-press timer, and main press timer for your most common applications. On our hybrid open machines, you'll find an active pressure readout. And this provides a real-time indication of pressure on a scale from 0 to 8, with 8 being the max. On pneumatic machines, you'll see an analog pressure gauge next to the screen to let you know the exact PSI of each application. All TrueSpec machines are designed to provide clear access to the lower platens, which makes pressing safer and more efficient. Both of our single-station machines have a slide-out lower platen, with the pneumatic slide-out drawer reaching full extension. The hybrid and pneumatic double-station presses have sliding lower and upper units respectively, allowing completely unobstructed lower platen access. All lower platens feature a built-in splitter, allowing you to press one side of your garment at a time. There's also a fast fit mount to accommodate our 5 additional interchangeable fast fit platens. These platens give you more options and simplify the process of pressing additional locations like sleeves and neck labels, or even odd items like duffel bags and backpacks. TrueSpec heat presses come with a quality guarantee that is backed by Heat Press Nation's legendary MyExpert support. This includes 1 year of MyExpert protection on the entire machine and a lifetime protection on the heating element. Should you ever have a question or issue with your heat press, help is just a phone call away. Free lifetime technical support is provided on every product sold at Heat Press Nation. At our US Service Center, we have trained technicians, a full supply of OEM parts, and a huge library of video service guides to make sure that you and your heat press always have the support you need. The TrueSpec line of heat presses is available exclusively at Heat Press Nation. If you have any questions or would like assistance finding the right heat press for you, please give our sales team a call at 800-215-0894. You can also get more information and purchase your own TrueSpec heat press at heatpressnation.com.